upon a time, in a bamboo forest, a curious little boy named Timmy stumbled upon a hidden clearing. There, he found a baby panda, no bigger than a stuffed animal, wobbling around on shaky legs. The little panda, whose name was Panda, had wandered away from his mother. Timmy's eyes widened with excitement as he gently scooped up Panda and cradled him in his arms. Panda snuggled into Timmy's warm jacket, and they quickly became fast friends. As the days went by, Timmy visited Panda every morning, bringing him fresh berries and playing hide and seek among the bamboo stalks. Panda loved Timmy's silly antics and would giggle at his jokes. One day, a strong wind knocked down a bamboo tree, trapping Panda beneath it. Timmy bravely lifted the tree, freeing Panda from the tangled mess. Panda's mother, who had been searching everywhere for her little one, was overjoyed to see Timmy and Panda reunited. As a thank you, Panda's mother took Timmy and Panda on a magical journey through the forest, showing them secret waterfalls and hidden meadows. From that day on, Timmy, Panda, and his mother had many more thrilling adventures together, exploring the wonders of the bamboo forest and the joy of friendship. Here are some story title ideas for your kids' story about a little boy and a baby panda.
Subscribe to my channel.